If you're planning to start your journey in business education, the right foundation can make all the difference.
The Level 3 Diploma in Business and Management from London School of Business is equivalent to British A-levels and prepares students for higher education and future business careers.
The program helps students develop academic, communication, and professional business skills before progressing to university degrees.
You'll gain practical knowledge in leadership, marketing, finance, teamwork, business communication, and international business. With flexible online and campus study options, the program is designed to support both international and local students.
Through coursework, projects, and continuous assessment, students build real-world business understanding and confidence.
This diploma creates a pathway to university progression and future careers in marketing, sales, administration, business management, and many more. Take the first step towards your future in business with the London School of Business